Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert hard drive from GPT to MBR on Windows 11. If you are looking to convert your hard drive from GPT to MBR on Windows 11, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth transition. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to convert this E drive from GPT partition to MBR partition. If you have any important files on this drive, make sure to back them up first. When we convert it to MBR, we will need to delete this entire drive. You can see there is some data here, but it's not important to me. To start the convert, right-click on the Start button, then click on Disk Management. Here is our E drive. Before selecting it, make sure to confirm that it's the correct drive. If you are not, double check it. Once files are deleted, they can be recovered. Now right click on the drive and select Delete Volume. Then click the Yes button. Now the drive shows as unallocated. Right click on the unallocated space of the drive and select Convert to MBR disk. After it converts, right-click on the drive again and click New Simple Volume. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And that's it. We have successfully converted the drive from GPT to MBR. Converting your drive GPT to MBR in Windows 11 is straightforward but requires careful handling, especially regarding data loss. Always ensure your important files are backed up before starting the process. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.